Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video across to your friend, everybody around you. Just let them see video we have for you already. We have a lot of videos for you. You can learn mathematics, physics, chemistry on this channel without any problem. On this video, I'll be walking you through on the area of a sector. Is a branch, is a part of mathematics which is under circle. And I've explained what is called circle in the previous video. This is a circle. Now, this is a circle. Now, I've explained what is called property of circle, which is sector, radius, diameter, arc, chord, and so on and so forth. Now, if I should explain what is called sector, this is a sector. This part is called sector. Now, all this we are looking at is called what? This is called sector. Sector of a circle. Now, we have minor sector and we have a major sector. Take note of that. And this is a radius. This is a radius, which is there are two radius, which is a radii. And don't mind you, if I increase this one to touch this one and it's touching here, that should be a diameter. I don't know. I think you should know that. Now, how do I find sector? To find sector, to find the formula for the area of a sector, we use, sorry, permit me to rub this. We use the ratio of area of sector divided by area of circle equals to angle in the sector divided by complete angle in the circle. Now, that is what we are trying to do here. Now, we don't know that area of a sector is, we don't know it. Area of sector, we don't know it. Divided by area of circle is pi r squared equals to the theta all over what? The complete in the center, it will be what? 2 pi. Now, by so doing this, I will be having, when I cross multiply, I'll be having area of sector will be equals to, it will be equals to 2 pi r multiplied by theta divides 2 pi. This will cancel this, and by so doing this, my area of sector will be equals to what? 1 all over 2 r square theta. Now, I've told you that this video will be working on, sorry, let me recap again. We have been on, we are working along with rad, not degree. We are working with rad at this point, at this junction. Now, that is what we are going to work on. It means the area of sector is equals to 1 all over 2 pi, r squared theta. Now, I think you can see the analysis of the whole thing. Now, permit me to write 1 or 2 questions to explain, to use to explain the area of the sector. Now, look at this question. Okay, look at this problem. I want to start with this. I will move on to this. And let's see how it will go. Solution to this problem. Now, you are asked to find the area of a sector. I think I've stated it that area of sector in terms of rad of sector in term of rad. I think I've told you earlier, radian, there are two ways of measuring circle. I mean, degree of circle. We can use degree, which is, and also rad. And I've told you that 1 pi, note that 1 pi equals to 180 degree. Take note of that. And it means 2 pi equals to 1 revolution. I think I've explained that earlier. Take note of that, 1 revolution. Now, I think we have been on this part, and you should understand by now, which is continuation of what we have done before. And the area I'm talking about is always equals to 1 all over 2 r square theta. That is very good. And at this point, what is given to us, our radius is given as 6 centimeter, and our angle is given as 2 pi all over 3. Now, at this junction, I can say that area of a sector equals to what? 1 all over 2 multiplied 6 squared multiplied 2 pi all over 3. This will cancel this, and my answer will come, I think I'll be having 6 times 6 multiplied by pi all over 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. Now I will have 12 pi. It means the area of a sector is equals to what? Area of sector is equals to what? 2 pi. That is the area. Now look at this one. It is a very nice one. Let me see the origin of the question. Yes. Now you are asked to calculate the area of a shaded part. Now, normally this area of a sector, we call it segment. That is what is called segment in normal way of interpreting of mathematics. But if I am to work along with this, or this part, we call it segment. That is segment. Now this line is called chord. This line is called radius. Now there are 2 radius and 2 radii and 1 chord and 1 part, segment. Now if there is no shaded part, that is what is called sector. Now at this junction, I was told to calculate the shaded parts. Now I was told to calculate the shaded part. Now what you just need to do, you find the area of a triangle. The area of this triangle, there's a triangle there, which is, this is a triangle, will be equals to, which is, let me title it 0AB. Let me just put triangle AOB. This is where the angle is. It will be equals to r base times height sine what? Sine 2 rad. I can write my rad like this because I've told you that I can write my rad 2 rad, also the same as 2 prime. I mean 2 raised to power c. Now at this junction, I can say that okay, that is what is given to us. Now permit me to move on by saying that this will give us 1 all over 2. 8 times 8 we have 64 and sine 2 rad. Now you pick up your calculator and you will see the rad value there. If you have problem with that, you can private chat me for better understanding. Now when you press your rad and you have 29 point what? 0975. Now it means at this junction I'm having 29 approximately equals to 29 point what? 098. Now I think I've successfully approximated it. Now how do I get my area of a sector? My area of a sector is equals to area of sector is always equals to 1 all over 2 r square theta. Now I think my r is equals to 1 all over 2 8 multiplied by 8, which is square, r times r multiplied by r, and my theta is 2 rad. I think yes, my angle is 2 rad. Now at this junction here 1, here 4, and 2 times 8 times 4, that will be 32. 32 times 2, that will be 64. Now I'll be having, it means my area of a sector is equals to what? 64 centimeters squared. is it meter? Yes, centimeter squared. Now, how do I get this the shaded part? Now, area of segment. Area of segment. So the same thing as area of, I mean, the shaded part. Shaded part. Sorry, part. Now, it's also the same thing. Now, it means I'm saying that area of a sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle. Now, since I have that, what is my area of a sector? Area of a sector is 64 minus area of a triangle, which will be 2. This is centimeter square also, please. 9.0975. Now the number continue anyway. The number continue there because I went to calculator. When you subtract it, you have 34.9 centimeters squared. Now that is the area of what? Of shaded parts. Now that is area of shaded parts. Okay, can you see how simple it is? All what I've been doing, I'm working along with what? Rad. Don't forget that. I'm working with the one radian. I mean, in terms of radian. Now, the video for degree, you know, those ones are available for you already. You can check our channel for better understanding. I'll be stopping here. Don't forget to share the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Once again, I am very grateful. Thanks.